This video highlights all the key features needed for the Speediance Gym Monster 2, giving you a clear picture of why it's a top choice for home strength training. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this home gym in the description below for latest price. The Speediance Gym Monster 2 is designed to be a complete all-in-one solution for anyone serious about full-body workouts at home. Right from the squat rack to the cable machine, and including a multifunctional bench, this gym station provides everything you need for strength, endurance, and muscle sculpting exercises without having to leave your house. Its compact footprint is cleverly designed to save space, yet it doesn't compromise on performance or durability. One of the standout features is the digital weight system, which is intuitive and easy to adjust. Combined with 11 adjustable height levels, it allows users of various sizes and experience levels to train safely and efficiently. The Smart AI personal training function is particularly impressive, analyzing your performance after each set and recommending the best weight for your next session. This makes progression easier and helps you avoid common workout plateaus. The Gym Monster 2 also comes equipped with a high-quality 2.1-channel speaker system, which ensures your workouts stay motivating and immersive. On the safety front, the machine includes a state-of-the-art weight safety system that prevents barbell imbalances or excessively fast retractions, giving you peace of mind while lifting heavier loads. The alloy steel construction ensures long-lasting stability, and the multifunctional bench enhances core, chest, leg, and back exercises, making this a well-rounded fitness station. No product is without small trade-offs. While it's an advanced piece of equipment, it weighs 172 pounds, so assembling it requires careful attention and some space in your home. Also, it's premium equipment, so the investment may be higher than basic home gym setups. However, considering the variety of exercises, smart AI coaching, and overall durability, it offers excellent value for anyone aiming for serious home training results. The Speediance Gym Monster 2 takes your home workouts to a professional level, making every session effective, safe, and enjoyable.